Did you know that your brain is deceiving you every day, and you don't even realize it? From poor choices to messed up relationships, these hidden mental traps are quietly steering your life. Today, we're uncovering 10 crazy psychological biases that hijack your thinking and how to break free from them. You tend to believe only what fits your story. Your brain loves picking out info that supports what you already think and ignores the rest. Example: you're convinced sugar is good for you, so you only read articles praising it, ignoring the real health warnings. The less you know, the more certain you feel. This bias explains why people with limited knowledge often overestimate their abilities, while true experts are filled with self-doubt. Example: someone reads one self-help book and suddenly brands themselves a life coach. Your brain clings to bad moments. Why is it that one mean comment can ruin your entire day, even if 20 people praised you? That's negativity bias. Our ancestors needed it to survive. Remembering danger was crucial. Your first impression lingers, even if it's misleading. See a $500 price tag, then a sale at $200, and you think you're getting a deal. But was it ever worth $500? Mind tip: focus on true value, not just the discount. What's easiest to recall feels like the truth. If you see a scary news story, like a plane crash, you might overestimate how likely it is, even if it's rare. Mind tip: look beyond headlines, check the actual facts. You stick with something just because you've already invested time or efforts. Whether it's a bad relationship or a toxic job, you think, "I've come this far, can't quit now." The truth is, past investment doesn't justify staying in something harmful. You follow the crowd, even when it's wrong. To avoid conflict, people often go along with group ideas, which can lead to bad outcomes. Mind tip: don't be afraid to speak up. Silence can be dangerous. You judge others harshly but cut yourself slack. If someone cuts you off in traffic, they're a jerk. If you do it, it's because you're in a hurry. Mind tip: try to give others the benefit of the doubt. You take credit for success, but blame outside factors for failures. When things go well, it's your skill. When they don't, it's bad luck or someone else's fault. Mind tip: own your wins and your mistakes. That's real growth. How many of these brain tricks are happening to you right now? These biases are subtle but powerful. The good news? Now that you know them, you can catch yourself and take control. Awareness is everything. The more you understand how your mind works, the more power you have over your choices. If this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Every week, we share psychology insights and mind hacks most people never learn in school. Comment below, which bias surprised you the most, or which one will you watch out for today? Your brain is powerful, but it's not perfect. Let's train it together. Subscribe for more psychology tips.